preemptive, priority-based operating system in a game machine.
And then they come to their senses. I still remember rocking it when I was younger than today.
The first thing that came to mind is, what in the hell have we done here to this industry?
What will you do with the Amiga computer?
The idea of creating a world that you could explore that didn't exist anywhere but in the computer was incredibly compelling.
Not a hassle, I'm a benefit to the society that bleeds me. Please don't leave me dry. 'Cause I got mouths to hide.
I wanted something that could be expanded into a real computer.
Everyone understood the Amiga computer really well, everyone in that entire organization.
It was frightening. It was exhilarating.
Oh my God.
Why would you do it? You weren't afraid of anyone or anything, 'cause I know I'd get mine.
I suppose one way to look at it is it's almost like your graffiti art, the quality graffiti art. It's that to me is what it is for the games industry. It's kind of, that is like the graffiti artists, but they're using demos.
So when we come to my senses, I still remember telling you that everything will always be.
There was total panic. There were people jumping out windows, throwing discs out windows.
Before the black and white turned to grey, yeah.
I told everybody on Saturday night, we're going to rename the company.
I really wanted to focus on graphics.
At that time, it was really new.
Bob up there being the showman.
Groups of pixels and stamp them in as brushes. So I was doing that.
Both RJ and I are sleeping on the floor.
I wanted real graphics.
And we would write it in such a way that kept it fun.
Felt like a piece of quality. So it was really pushing everything to the limit.
Twice the throughput performance.
Purely a technical challenge for him to prove he could do it.